guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much for the support that you usually give me. And today we are going to make popcorns in a microwave, and the ingredients that we will be using today are popcorn seeds. Then we will use some little bit of cooking oil, then some salt. That's what we will be using today. So what you do is, first thing, you take your bowl, you add your cooking oil, then we will take a spoon and add some salt. I think this is too much. Some salt. Then we will take our popcorns. I'm using butterfly popcorns. You can get them in the supermarket. They're very good. And we'll just use a little bit. So I'll pour a little bit in the bowl. This size. Don't know if you are seeing. Then we will mix them together. Then when you take them to the microwave, you have to put a lid on. So we'll put a lid on the bowl. So now we have covered our bowl. We will take it now to the microwave for And now we have our popcorns. Fluffy, very soft, not hard at all. Very, very soft. And this is a very quick recipe that you can make for your children. Movie time with your pals, your family, and you will enjoy it. Try this recipe and let me know. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.